Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSjam's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to appear offline on Facebook Messenger on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your iPhone. Next, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Setting under your profile. Now tap on Active Status. Here you will see show when you're active. Simply turn this option off. You can choose to turn it off for 1 hour, 8 hours, or until tomorrow, or until you change it. And if you want to stay offline until you turn it back on, select until I change it. That's it. Now other people won't see the green dot next to your profile and you will appear offline on Messenger. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.